Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. Today is the day for easy lecture. Today we are going to see very easy things. Firstly, we are going to see what is a term, and then we are going to see what is a factor. So let us see first what is a term. Term and factors both are included in an expression, okay? Algebraic expression or equation. So what is a term? It is something which is to be added or subtracted in an expression. If 3x plus 17 is an expression, then 3x and 17 are the terms. See, what is a term? It is something which is to be added or subtracted in an expression. See, if you have an expression and you have some plus minus signs, and here something is written here, something is written here, and something is written here. So these three things, what are these? These are being added or subtracted. So these are the terms, okay? Here in this example, 3x plus 17 is an expression in which 3x and 17 are the terms. Why? Because 3x and 17 are being added with each other, okay? So they are the terms, and they are making what? They are making a sum. In the same way, we can have a difference. We can have terms like 5y minus 2. So here 5y and 2, these are the terms because they are being subtracted, okay? So anything which is to be subtracted or added in an expression, they are called terms. Okay, so let's move to the next thing, that is factors. What is factor? It is something that is to be multiplied in an expression. Product is equal to factor into factor. It's really easy. Terms were those things which were to be added or subtracted, and factors are those things which are to be multiplied in an expression, okay? Factors are being multiplied. Anything, any number, any expression, any variable which is going to be multiplied in an expression or an equation, that is called factor, okay? So here is an example. P is equal to 43 into 22q minus 66. So here 43 and 22q minus 66. 43 and then 22q minus 66. This is the first factor and this is the second factor. Why? Because these are being multiplied with each other, okay? And in this expression, these two are the factors, whereas 22q and 66, these two are the terms. Why they are terms? Because they are being subtracted, okay? There is a minus sign, okay? So in this expression we have terms as well as factors, and in this one we have only we only have terms. Or you may say this 3x plus 17, this is the term t1, this is the term t2, and here in t1 we can have factors. 3 is first factor, x is second factor, because 3 is being multiplied with x, okay? So this was today's lecture. It was really very easy and interesting, in which we studied terms and factors. For any queries and confusions, you can tell me in the comment section. I will be available to help you ever, okay? Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.